Welcome to our tutorial for the FloridaNatureCoast.org website, where I'll show you how to use it to find places to go and things to do and see on Florida's Nature Coast. Your first step is to open the website in your browser. You can do this on your desktop computer or on your smartphone or tablet. Many of you will be familiar with how to do this and may have even saved a bookmark to the website. If not, just type FloridaNatureCoast.org into the address bar of your browser to go to the website. The home page will be displayed. As you can see, we do use advertising on the site to help offset some of our operating costs. The ads are provided by Google Ad Services, and the exact ads you see will be targeted for your interests. If the ads distract you, or you just don't want to see them, change the browser from full screen to window mode and resize it to make it narrow enough so the ads don't appear. This way the only ad you'll see is one at the very bottom of the page and possibly at the top. These ads can be minimized. On the home page, you'll see a map of the Nature Coast counties identified by name. From north to south, they are Wakulla, Jefferson, Taylor, Dixie, Levy, Citrus, Hernando, and Pasco. If you're in a hurry, you can immediately click on the county name at the right to go to the Explore page that shows a map of all the parks, preserves, cities, towns, annual events, festivals, and attractions within that county. You can see that each of the points of interest is identified by a colored dot with a number. Green for parks and preserves, red for cities and towns, blue for annual events and festivals, and purple for attractions. The list at the right side of the page shows the name of each point of interest. Scroll up and down to view them all if necessary. You can return to the home page anytime by selecting Home from the menu. Also on the home page, there are 4 buttons across the top that you can use to further define the points of interest shown on the Explore page. Now we'll go back to the Explore page for Pasco County. To view the details about each point of interest, you can click on the number on the map or on the name in the list. The detail page includes a description, 1 or more pictures, and links to additional information and maps. Most detail pages also include a quick tour video you can watch. Here at the bottom of the page are the links I spoke of earlier. We usually try to include a link to an official site for the point of interest, as well as any maps and other general information. Near the bottom of the detail page, a location roadmap or satellite view shows exactly where the entrance or main visitor area of the point of interest is located. There is also a Navigate button you can click to show you the route from your current location to that place. The Navigate button is particularly useful if you are viewing the website from your smartphone. It allows you to use your navigation app to give you directions to the point of interest. Once you are done viewing the detail page, you can click the Home tab near the top of the page to return to the home page. Before ending this demo, I'd like to point out that there is a menu near the top of every page with 6 tabs: Home, Explore, Filter, Maps, About, and News. This tutorial has covered the Home page and the Explore page. The About page has links to some of our other web resources, as well as our tutorials. And the News page provides a list of things we've added or changed, organized by date. This allows you to see if anything is new without having to browse hundreds of pages on the website. We'll cover the Filter and Maps pages and how they are used in another tutorial. Until then, keep on traveling and exploring on Florida's Nature Coast.